Welcome back. Well, one of my favorite subjects, which is the Santa Ana Zoo, is here today with us. We have Diane and Larry Grummett, who are here to tell us all about the fun that you can have at the zoo. I mean, a lot of people don't even know about the zoo, right in the middle of the city.
Yeah.
And then you guys have a really special event that's coming up in August. So welcome, both of you.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you. So you guys go kind of way back with the zoo. Tell me how you two kind of got together at the zoo.
Well, we actually were dating when I hired into the zoo. I've been there about 14 years.
Okay.
And we were dating at the time. And she'd come down when I was working and kind of volunteer and worked in the farm a little bit.
Uh-huh.
And then we ended up getting married there.
You got married at the zoo?
Oh
my gosh.
We got married at the zoo. Mm-hmm.
What section?
The Amazon's Edge. Right on the platform by the waterfall over there. Mm-hmm.
That's perfect.
Yeah.
Did they because we shot there last year, and they were redoing a lot of that. Have they done that yet?
Yeah, they started doing, because that's going to be our new exhibit, which is the giant river otters from the Amazon of South America.
Right.
And it's going to be underwater viewing, and it's going to be really great when it gets
Right. See, we're showing a little bit of it now. So is that so that is not complete yet?
No. They're starting. It's probably a good maybe year off.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's going to be quite a project.
Yeah, I
bet.
bet.
But it's going to be really great when they finish it up.
So Diane, what do you do at the zoo?
I work in the gift shop and I do inventory.
Okay, but you work at the gift shop. That's an important job, because there's a lot of fun things, as you can see here on our desk.
It all came from our gift shop.
That's right. That's right. And then the 50 monkeys all year long. Give me just a brief history of that.
Okay, first of all, the zoo opened in 1952, 67 years ago. But and the land was donated for the zoo in 1949. And Mr. Prentice, who donated the land, stipulated that we have to have at least 50 monkeys at all times.
Right.
So back in those days, when it was mainly country around there, he'd had monkeys, and he was a big fan of monkeys, so he stipulated 50 monkeys at all times. So that's what we have to this day.
And you guys do a really good job of having a variety of different monkeys.
Oh yeah, and matter of fact, we have the pygmy marmoset, which is the world's smallest monkey, weighs 6 ounces full growth.
Oh my gosh, that is so adorable. And to see them when you go down that one little alleyway with all the monkeys is so fun, because they're always so
monkey
active.
row, yeah.
Yeah, the monkey row.
Yeah.
What are some new things that are there?
About just over a year ago, we opened up our 50 monkey Ferris wheel.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
That's fun.
And of course, our next project is the giant river otters.
Right. Good.
Yeah.
So
we're in a growing process right now, so there's going to be a lot of changes coming down.
But that's good. I mean, it's becoming more and more popular. I think people are coming more. They're hearing more about it. So they, for sure, you're going to have to start getting some more animals in there.
Yeah.
To keep everybody entertained.
Yeah. Well, we got a big 20-year plan going on right now, and there's going to be a lot of changes. So
nice.
All for the better.
All right, excellent. So let's talk about some of these cute little adorable stuffed animals here. Now these are available in the gift shop, right?
Yes.
And money goes towards what when you buy things there?
It goes right back into the zoo.
It does. Okay. So for different types of events or projects that you're working on?
The projects, different things for animals. And
right. Okay, good. Now you have a couple little lemurs here. Now, I was telling you before the show that I fed some of those lemurs. Now, how many lemurs do you guys have?
We have the ring-tailed lemurs and we have the black and white ruffed lemurs.
Right. Now, those are in a separate location, right? Because they're really not considered a monkey.
No, not really.
Okay. And then what about the one in the middle?
That's a river otter.
Okay.
And we got those in because we're getting the giant river otters.
Right. Oh, when does that happen?
They're going to be unique creatures. They're not the little river otters that most people think of as otters. They're about 6 feet.
Oh wow, that's big.
And their only known enemy in the wild is a panther, so they're very unique.
Now, where will they go?
They're going to go over by the Amazon's Edge.
Oh, okay, so they'll be there. Oh, excellent. Oh, that sounds so exciting. All right, now in front of you, Diane, you have a gorgeous purse Tell us about this purse and why it is so important.
This is going to be on our live auction at our Zoofari. It will have, it's a micro core. It will have $100 worth of scratchers and an undisclosed amount of money.
Wow. And this is is this an auction item or how will it work at the event?
It goes on our live auction.
Oh, live auction, so people will be able to bid and.
So it's worth about $2,000.
Holy smokes, that's awesome. Have you done that before?
Oh yeah.
And how much does it usually go for?
It goes for a lot.
That's great.
It's very popular. In fact, we do this one every year.
Okay, good. Well, let's talk about the event. So it's called Zoofari Safari.
Zoofari Safari. Yeah, we have each year we get a different name, different prize. But it's our gala black tie fundraiser that we have annually around this time of the year. It's like they have a complimentary valet parking.
Okay.
And then the rides will be open.
Oh, really?
And there will also be animal encounters. Our keepers come out with some animals and show various animals around there. And then we have a photo op with our theme in the background. So yeah, it's a lot of fun. That's a preliminary.
Right.
Now, when the event gets going, we have a catered dinner by Parties by Panache. We have set up a dance floor. This is all done outdoors too, in our amphitheater.
Under the stars.
Yeah,
yes.
under the stars. And then we have a band, so there'll be dining and dancing under the stars. So it's really
and we have the silent auction.
And then our big events are we have the silent auction and we have the live auction.
Right, right. And then you have cocktails and a hosted bar.
Cocktails, hosted bar.
Right,
correct.
excellent. And then, like you said, dining and dancing, entertainment.
We also have every year we have a different drink, signature drink, and and so it's they concoct something.
Some kind of wild animal name.
They concoct something to fit the theme.
I love it.
Every year, so it's a lot of fun. But then the auctions are the highlight of it.
Yes.
And our live auction, we have a almost with about 200 items.
On the side,
on the silent, yeah, live, that would be a long time.
Yeah.
But nonetheless, you still have a lot of ways to raise money for the zoo. I think that's amazing.
Yeah.
And that event is going to be on August 24th, and that'll be from 5:30 in the evening to 11.
5 to 11.
And if people are interested in going, what's the best way to get in touch? Is it through the zoo itself, santaanazoo.org?
Yeah, that would probably be the best. Yeah.
That would be the best, because I'm assuming that there's information there about how to get tickets and things like that.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Well, anything else you'd like to tell us about? Something else exciting about the zoo?
Oh, the zoo is always exciting. We, with our ride, for those that haven't been there before, we have a train ride, carousel ride, and like I said, we just opened up our 50 monkey Ferris wheel about a year ago.
Right, right.
But the zoo itself it's very easy to get around. You can, but between 2 and 3 hours. It's all level walking around the zoo. We have various animals. We have a farm area. We have a giant anteaters.
That's right.
Yeah, that's always a big attraction.
That's right. That's right. Well, excellent. Well, thank you both for being here.
Oh,
good luck on your fundraiser, and it's always a pleasure. Next time, hopefully, you can bring the live monkeys.
Yeah.
Or the live lemurs, whatever.
Course.
I don't care. We'll just have them come on. Thank you both so much.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
And remember, if you want more information about the Zoofari Safari, you can go to the santaanazoo.org. We'll be right back.